Greetings, Earthlings. It's Dr. Alien, your galactic health expert, here to guide you through the use of Rhinocort Aqua, a corticosteroid nasal spray designed to help you breathe easier. This spray works by reducing inflammation in your nasal passages, easing congestion. Think of it as a mini shield for your nose. But remember, it's best used regularly to prevent symptoms, and it may take a few days to fully kick in. Now, how do you use this cosmic device? Before you start, let's prime the spray. That means shaking the bottle and removing the cap. Hold it upright, then pump the nozzle 5 to 10 times into the air until you see a fine mist. You only need to do this when using it for the first time, or if it hasn't been used for more than 24 hours. For shorter gaps, just one pump into the air is enough. Ready to spray? Follow these simple steps. Put the tip of the nozzle into one nostril, then spray once. Do the same for the other nostril. And no need to breathe in at the same time. This isn't an alien rocket launch. Once you're done, wipe the nozzle with a clean tissue, pop the cap back on, and store it upright. Easy, right? For dosage, stick to the instructions your human doctor has given you. Consistency is key. Don't wait for symptoms to start. Use it regularly to stay one step ahead of nasal congestion. Now, you're all set to navigate the nasal galaxy. Capsule closed, prescription filled.